important of mathematics. So in this video, solve some problems in integers. So evaluate the integral minus infinity plus infinity e power minus of a mod x and e power minus I into dx. Okay. So this is the function, that is this is the exponential function. This is also exponential function. There are two type of function. We can use that is e power minus a mod x. So how to solve this one? The given one is integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus a mod x into e power minus I into dx. So first one is a even function. So e power minus a mod x is a even function. The definition of even function is some function f of x is said to be even. You can find the value of f of minus x. The f of minus x is f of x. Then the given f of x is a even function. So therefore e power minus a mod x is f of x equal to e power minus a mod x. You can find f of minus x. So f of minus x is e power minus a modulus of minus x. It is nothing but e power minus a mod x. So this is also a f of x. Therefore, in general, every modulus function is a even function. So first one is even function. So this is the in the term of it is e power I theta. We know that e power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore, e power minus I dx. That is theta x is dx. This is written as cos bx minus I sin dx. So therefore, the integration can be written as integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus a mod x into this can be written as cos bx minus I sin bx. So multiply e power minus a mod x. This is equal to integral minus infinity plus infinity e power minus a mod x cos bx minus I into e power minus a mod x sin bx into dx. So the limit is minus infinity plus infinity. That is same number, same the sign only. So next we can verify this is even function or odd function. So integral minus a to a f of x dx. If f of x is even function, then this integration can be written as 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx is 0. This is even case. This 0 is odd case. This is the definition of integral minus a to, there is same number, only sign only change, f of x dx. So first one is e power minus a mod x is even, cos dx, cos x is a even function, therefore even function into even function is even function. Second one is, this first one is even function, second one is odd function, therefore even function into odd function is odd function. Therefore first integration is even function and second integration is odd function. Therefore, this can be written as integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power a into mod x cos bx dx minus second integration is 0 because this one is odd function. So now we can find the integration 2 times of integral 0 to infinity e power minus a mod x into cos bx into dx. So next, the limit is 0 to infinity. This is a positive value. In positive term, mod x is nothing but x. 2 times of integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax into cos bx into dx. We know that integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos bx into dx equal to a by a square plus b square. Therefore, 2 times of integral a by a square plus b square. Multiply 2. Therefore, we get 2a by a square plus b square. Therefore, the value of integral minus infinity plus infinity e power minus a mod x into e power minus I into dx equal to 2a by a square plus b square.